Hello dear students, today we are going to do chapter 2nd of class 8, that is linear equation in one variable. So exercise 2.1 question number 1. So this is the given equation x minus 2 equals to 7. We have to solve this equation. Now see, this is the left hand side of the equation, this is the right hand side of equation, and this equation is in variable x. Solve the equation means now we want to find out the value of x. So for that, the very first step we will do, we will transpose this to minus 2 on the right hand side, and the rule of the transposition is, it on left hand side it is minus 2, so when we will transpose it will be plus 2. So the equation will be x equals to 7 plus 2. So we will get the answer, that is the value of x, 9. In this equation y plus 3 equals to 10, y is the variable. We want to find out the value of y, so we will transpose 3 on the right hand side. So the equation will be, because it is plus 3 on left hand side, so when we will shift it, it will be minus 3. So value of y will be 7. Next, question number 4. In this question, the equation is 3 by 7 plus x equals to 17 by 7. Again, we want to find out the value of this variable x. So we will transpose this fraction, that is 3 by 7 on right hand side. So x will be 17 upon 7 minus 3 upon 7. Fine. So we need to take LCM. So 7 will be the LCM. So it will be 17 minus 3. So the value of x will be 14 upon 7, that is 2. Equation number 5. It is 6x equals to 12. So now you can observe 6 is multiplied with this variable. So if I want to transpose this 6 on right hand side, because it is multiplied with x. So when we will transpose it, it will be, the equation will be x is equal to 12 divided by 6, and that will be x equals to 2. So x is equal to 2 is the answer, solution of the equation. Next, 6th question, that is t upon 5 equals to 10. It means 5 is in denominator, means it is dividing t. If on right hand side it is dividing, then if we transpose it on right hand side, it will be multiplied. So the equation will become t equals to 10 into 5. So the value of variable is 50. 7th part of the question. Now the equation is 2 upon 3x equals to 18. So if I want to find out value of x, I need to transpose this 3 on the right hand side, because it is in denominator, so it will be multiplied with 18 on right hand side. So the equation will become 2x is equal to 18 into 3, that is 2x is equal to 54. Now we will transpose this to, it is multiplied with x. So when we will shift it on right hand side, it will be 54 divided by 2, that is 27. Equation number 10. Now the equation is 14y minus 8 equals to 13. So the very first step we will do, it is minus 8, so we need to shift it on right hand side, it will be plus 8. 13 plus 8, it will be 21. Now 14 is in multiplication, so if I'll transpose 14 on the right hand side, it will be 21 upon 14 and it will be cancelled on the table of 7. 7 3s are, 7 2s are. So the value of y will be 3 by 2. Last part of the question number 12, that is x upon 3 equals to 7 upon 15. Now on left hand side it is plus 1, so when we will shift it on right hand side it will be minus 1. So the equation will become x upon 3 equals to, we need to take LCM, 15 will be LCM, so it will be 7 minus 15 and 7 minus 15 is, it is minus 8 upon 15. Now we want to find out the value of x, so we need to transpose this 3 also on right hand side. So it is in denominator in division, so when we will transpose it on right hand side it will be multiplied. So multiply by 3, 3 1s are, 3 5s are. So the value of variable x will be minus 8 upon 5.